Prayer of the Abbot of Cellos, surnamed the Idiot. Draw me after thee, O Virgin Mary, that I may run to the odor of thy perfumes. Draw me, for I am held back by the weight of my sins and by the malice of my enemies. As no one goes to thy Son unless the Divine Father draws him, so I would dare to say, in a certain sense, that no one goes to him if thou dost not draw him with thy holy prayers. It is thou who teachest the true wisdom. Thou who dost obtain pardon for sinners, because thou art their advocate. It is thou who dost promise glory to him who honors thee, because thou art the treasurer of graces. Thou hast found grace with God, O most sweet Virgin, because thou hast been preserved from the stain of original sin, filled with the Holy Spirit, and hast conceived the Son of God. Thou hast received all these graces, O Mary most humble, not only for thyself, but also for us, that thou mayest help us in all our necessities. And thou, indeed, dost so. Thou dost succor the good by preserving them in grace, and the bad by bringing them to receive the divine mercy. Thou dost aid the dying by protecting them against the snares of the devil, and thou dost aid them also after death by receiving their souls and leading them to the kingdom of the blessed.